first thing I like about the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the size. You can see here, it's fairly small, holds in my hand quite easily, and this is with the blades open. And you take the battery out, and it's even lighter. You can fold it up, and you can pack it away relatively easy in such a short space of time, and then it's ready to be transported again. You can buy an attachment to go with it that holds the blades in place. I have one. I use this, which is a Sky Reap. It just pops around the blades, holds them in place, and it makes transport easy and safe. So the second thing I like on it, the features, is the sensors. You've got two at the front, two at the rear, and two on the underside. These don't work in sport mode, okay? So you need to be careful that when you're in sport mode, it's not going to stop you from flying into objects, but it is very handy to have. You are supposed to maintain line of sight at all times with your drone, but you might not be able to determine the distance your drone is to a wall or a tree or something like that. I don't recommend flying near trees anyway. But yeah, if this catches sight of something within a certain distance, then it will just come to a halt and you won't be able to fly any further forward, back or down. Okay, so the third feature I like is the gimbal. I don't know if you can see that. If I see that stays relatively straight. So in windy conditions, it doesn't really affect the picture so much. I had it out today and it was quite gusty. I'll post a little snippet of it. The drone was flying all over the place, but the footage itself was quite still. It's quite stable. It's a really good gimbal, and for that alone, it's, you know, pretty awesome. The fourth thing I like isn't necessarily part of the drone itself, but it is the app Light Cut, which comes with it. I use it quite often to do my edits. It connects directly to the drone itself, so all you need to do is you turn it on your drone, and then you can plug in where you turn on your app Light Cut, and it's connected straight away. You can see it's just loaded up everything on there instantly, and I can select what I like on that, and it can do, you can edit it yourself, or you can do what they call an AI editor. Not always the best option, but it's fun to have a look to see what it comes up with. It's probably the best on-the-go editing app I've used. I've tried the others, CapCut. Yeah, there's some others, but I've deleted them because I can't really remember them. CapCut's the only one I can remember. I've used it, it's not bad, but I prefer Light Cut because it's created for the DJI Mini Pro, or possibly any other DJI products. I'm not 100% sure. This is the first drone I've owned, and I love it, absolutely love it. 5. Okay, so the fifth thing I like about the DJI Mini 3 Pro is it's not a specific feature itself. Well, it is, but it's the drone itself. Before this, I had never flown a drone before, apart from those little like £30 ones that you can buy from the tech shops you get in shopping centres, and they always have a habit of, they go up and they go like that, or very quickly. You have no control over them. I recently bought one just to see the difference of the DJI Mini 3 Pro versus one of these cheaper ones. And it was destroyed after the first flight. It just went off to the left uncontrollably into the wall. So yeah, based on that, the stability of this is amazing. You can send it up in the wind. I wouldn't recommend it. I'd recommend still clear conditions, but yeah, this can hold its own. The controller, I love the controller. It's intuitive. I didn't get the RC Pro, but I love this all the same. I didn't want to spend out too much, not knowing too much about drones. So yeah, on the whole, my number 5 thing I like is the drone itself, the setup, the fact you can map the controller, so you can mimic, let's say, your favorite PlayStation game, Xbox game, you know, the controls on that. And would I recommend buying the DJI Fly More? Definitely, 100%. Without it, I wouldn't have been able to have as much fun with this as I have. Definitely worth getting. So yeah, my number 5 is the whole package, really. Would I recommend this for a first-time drone? 100%. Do I regret making the decision to spend out a small fortune on it? I don't. I love it. Absolutely love it. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe. And again, this is my first ever video of this type of thing, and I hope to get better at it. Anyway, thank you very much.